For both PC Switch, what the error means. The ESP-DIST-001 error usually appears when Fortnite can't connect to Epic's servers. This can be caused by network issues, DNS problems, server-side outages, corrupt game files or outdated software. For Nintendo Switch, 1. Restart everything. Turn off your Switch completely. Power off your router modem for 60 seconds and restart. Relaunch Fortnite. 2. Check Epic Games server status. Visit https://status.epicgames.com. Look for any issues under Fortnite or login. 3. Clear cache on Switch. Go to System Settings, System Formatting options. Select Clear Cache. Choose the profile used to play Fortnite. 4. Change DNS. Go to System Settings, Internet Settings. Choose your Wi-Fi, click Change Settings. Set DNS settings to manual. Primary DNS 8.8.8.8. Secondary DNS 8.8.4.4 Google DNS. 5. Reinstall Fortnite last resort. Delete and redownload Fortnite via the eShop. For PC, 1. Run as administrator. Right-click on Epic Games Launcher, Run as administrator. 2. Flush DNS. Press Windows plus R, type cmd, then type bash. Copy. Edit. ipconfig flushtons. Press Enter. 3. Change DNS. Go to Control Panel, Network and Internet Network Connections. Right-click your connection properties, IPv4, use the following DNS. 8.8.8.8 8.8.4.4 4. Allow Epic Launcher through firewall. Search Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow an app through firewall. Ensure Epic Games Launcher and Fortnite are checked for private public. 5. Verify game files. Open Epic Games Launcher. Go to Library, click 3 dots on Fortnite, manage verify files. Extra tips: both PC Switch. Use a wired connection if possible. Disconnect other devices using your network. Avoid VPNs or proxies unless required.